Hey, this is Josh Smith with Notebooks.com. We have the HP Mini 210 consumer netbook here, and what we're going to do is show you how easy it is to get inside in case you want to upgrade your RAM or swap out a hard drive. First step, pop the battery out, slides right out. Then if you see these orange tabs in here, one over here by a SIM slot and one over here where the battery slot's in, what we're going to do is we're going to push that in while pulling up. Don't worry if you meet some resistance. It feels like you're going to break it, but actually about 20 seconds total, maybe even 10. We're in there, we pull out our RAM, grab a 2 gig chip, slide it back in, put our cover back on, and we're good to go. Cover just slides right on and off, and your RAM is replaced. I'll pop that out again just so you can see. You just push in on this a little bit, pull up, push in on this one, pull up. After you do it once, it actually comes off much easier, and then you have your shell you can set aside. And then in here we have our hard drives underneath here, and we have our RAM that you can just pop out, pop back in, and it's actually probably the easiest netbook I've had to take apart so far. And to slide it back in, you just kind of find your grooves, push, snap, get everything into place, kind of push it a few more times, and then we'll slot our battery back in. And you're good to go. So that is how to get inside the HP Mini 210 in about 20 seconds for Notebooks.com.